So now I'm going to install one of these labels, and I'm going to install it 3 centimeters down from the top. So I'll just put a line there. I'm just going to find the halfway mark. Now, so I just need to mark where my prongs are going to go. And then we need to get a stitch rip like this, make some holes. So now we'll grab the phrase stopper pen, just add a bit on there. Put that in there, make sure it's up the right way. Turn it over. Actually, we'll put some support there. I'm going to use a little bit of Decaville. So we just need to cut some slits in the Decaville. Pop that on there. Now I'll put this over the top, and I normally like to hammer this down with a hammer, but if I hammer on here I'm going to end up shaking this to pieces, so I'm just going to pop away and hammer that like that. Now I like to add a little bit of interfacing over the top, just some scraps. Fusible side down. Like so. And there we have our bag label. You may prefer to use a sew-on label or no label at all, that's entirely up to you.